Hey, Greg Spindler here. Welcome back. What are you going to do when a recession hits and your massage or bodywork practice takes a hit because we're in a recession? Well, if you're doing things where you're treating people with pain or treating people with goals where they need their body working at their absolute best potential, then I think we're all okay. When you're in a spa where it's more of a luxury type of situation, relaxation type of thing, yeah, you might want to have some tools in your toolbox to where you're more recession proof, because those are the types of things that people will get away from that seems to be not a necessity to get back into the game of life. When someone's in pain, they will take action to get their bodies right. And we are in a good position to help people and provide service for those who are in pain. And the same thing goes with people that have big goals with their body, like athletes. So, therefore, a recession will not hurt our practice if we're treating people with acute and chronic pain patterns, or working with athletes that have a high demand to use their bodies on a daily basis to meet their goals. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in class soon.